how to promote Teespring products for free. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you 5 ways on how you can promote your Teespring products. But before I give you the 5 steps, the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Teespring account. And right here, if you're still starting, you need to build your brand. And how do we do that? First is we need to brainstorm, or we need to think of a store name for our Teespring. So here in our dashboard, all we need to do is to simply edit the store name and backspace it. So as for me, since I have been selling products online already and apparels, I'm gonna make use of my store name, which is Moonstar. Make sure that your store name identifies your product, and at the same time it is different from other products, so that more people would be able to remember your store name and would be able to go to your store and buy your products. Now you can actually edit your store, and we're simply going to click on the update name right here. So click on it, and after which, once your name has been updated, what you're going to do next is that you are going to go to the domain section. So you can actually connect an existing domain, simply activate it, but it costs $11.99 a year. And if you do have like a domain already, like for example a WordPress or a Shopify account, you can also input your domain right there and link it by clicking on the purchase a domain button. Alright, now let's start with the first tip. So my first tip for you guys is to use social media platforms. When you use social media platforms, you can create eye-catching posts with high quality images, and you can use relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your store. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that in your Facebook page. So you can actually create a Facebook page or a store, and then you can simply create a post right here. And when you create a post, you can add a photo, video, a reel, and whatnot. The good thing about Facebook is that you can actually see how many people have visited your profile or your pages, and you can see the insights. And most people are using the Facebook application, which would give more reach to people. So when you create a post, don't forget to use hashtags and also to input your store name or store link in the post. So the next step basically is to join forums and online communities. So when you join online forums and communities, you can actually create posts right here, and the audience would be more specific. So here in Reddit, for example, you can click on the create post, and here you could actually add your link in the post. So you just need to click on link, and basically here in the post section, you just need to input all the necessary information that you would want to. Now I have inputted my link. Now I'm gonna add my title, which is Teespring Store. And in the post section, basically I'm gonna input what the details are about what I'm selling, about your Teespring product, what's the inspiration and whatnot. You could actually add images as well. And what's a good thing about this one is, again, you can place it or post it in a community. So specifically, like say for example, we have fashion community, and I'm just gonna look for fashion here, and there we can add that post to the fashion community. Now in our post, don't forget to actually input your hashtags as well. Here below you could actually add your post, and basically that's about it for Reddit. So next on the list is you can actually start blogging. You can actually write informative information about your products here. So one platform that I can suggest is blogger.com, especially if you're still starting blogging. So here, what you're going to do is you can simply create a post. What's nice about blogger.com is that you can actually see the statistics of how many people has seen your post. So first, let me show you how to create a new post. Now here, you just need to add your title and input your information here in this area. Alright? Now for the title, let's say for example, we are having Teespring collection. And in here, I am going to write a post or to simply input information about my Teespring collection. Alright? Also, never forget to input or add your Teespring link in the blog. So here I have my Teespring link, add, and before you simply post your blog, what you can do is that you can actually add hashtags as well. So for example, Teespring collection, and then you can add more hashtag relating to the product that you are selling basically. Okay, now another thing that we can do is actually here in this section you can actually insert an image, and then you can add images on of your Teespring collection, and here we can actually add a link. So for example, when you have casual wear, and then you just need to paste the link. So here, if you have casual wear, it will be hyperlinked to your store. Okay, so that the person who would click on that would be redirected directly to your store. And that's how you can promote it in blogger.com. So fourth on the list is to create YouTube videos. When you create YouTube videos, you can actually showcase the different products that you're selling in your Teespring. And what we are going to do is we are going to simply go to our YouTube Studio Creator, and here we are going to the upper right hand corner and click on the create button. So upload videos. So here, you just need to upload the video that is related to your Teespring product. So select the files, and after which you're going to select the file that you would want to upload. Now, make sure to make an eye-catching title that also has Teespring on it. Also, in the description, the most important thing that you need to input is your store link. You could also add hashtags. So say for example, Teespring store. So just input Teespring store, and after that, if you do have like promo codes, you could also add that into your description. Last tip that I have for today's video is simply to do email marketing. So when you do email marketing, you can actually build an email list and send it out to your subscribers, especially for those people who have been with you for a long time or have simply, bought your products. So you can give them newsletters and like promos for that specific group of people. So one platform that I can suggest to you guys is MailChimp.com. So MailChimp.com has a free trial, but after the free trial, you would be needing to subscribe to a specific plan. And basically, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.